Do you know that this is a braided ponytail? Do you know? Do you know? So you all, I want to teach you guys how to make use of the braided ponytail that I posted the last time. Okay, this is it. Somebody was asking me, the simple, what is this one again? What's this one that you, what is this thing that you posted it? I was like, oh my god, baby girl, you are new in my space, because if you are not, you will know that I create my own thing my own way. Okay, I can't wait to show you guys ponytail. So I went to my hairstylist yesterday and I told her, please, I want you to weave my hair and make it so fine that I can attach my braided ponytail on it, and also wear my wigs if I want to, depending on the outfit that I want to go out with any day. And she gave me her best. Like, whoo, it's so fine. Look at, it's so fine. She added a little attachment to it and it came out very fine. So now, first of all, I have to braid this. Braid. So after that, I'll be using my thread to hold this. Sorry. Okay. I will now go on to pull this on, then use this to draw it. Ooh, so tight. Then I will take this back like this. Then I use this to roll. To roll.
Rolling, rolling, rolling. So when you are done, you can decide
To use a rubber band to hold it, or a hairband. So I have my hairband here and I will be attaching my hairband on it to give it more classy look. So this is it. And done, 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 done. Tell me if you're going to be trying this out, or you are going to be ordering one from me. Ooh, you know, you can get this in different shades. If you want your own to be coiled, you can make it to be coiled, the tip to be coiled, but me, I decided to use beads. And this is it. Money, 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 money. Ooh, wow, wow, wow. Tell me. Okay, let me know if you're going to be trying this in out on your own, or if you are going to be ordering one from me. This is the simple stuff. Thanks for watching.